Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to anatomy thyroid gland. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now, today our topic is anatomy of thyroid gland. In today topic, our topic outline is definition of thyroid gland, structure of thyroid gland, arterial supply, venous drainage, innervation, lymphatics of thyroid gland. First, we start from definition. How we define thyroid gland? Thyroid gland is an endocrine gland which has butterfly shape located in the anterior region of neck. This is the definition of thyroid gland. Now come to the structure. In structure, this is the structure of thyroid gland. This is clavicle on both sides, and this is sternum. Above the sternum there is the tracheal cartilaginous ring, and on above the trachea, on tracheal ring, the thyroid gland is located, which have right lobe, left lobe, and these right and left lobe are connected by a structure called isthmus. Now, the structure of thyroid gland is look like butterfly because the lobe of thyroid gland is look like the wings of butterfly. This is the structure of thyroid gland. Now in structure, number 1, thyroid gland is butterfly shape. Number 2, there is a right lobe. Number 3, there is a left lobe. And number 4, there is isthmus which present in the center, mean the structure which connect the right and left lobe of thyroid gland. Now come to the arterial, after structure, the arterial supply of thyroid gland. Now there are 3 arteries which supply the thyroid gland. Number 1, superior thyroid artery. Superior thyroid artery is the branch of external carotid artery, and its name suggests superior thyroid artery. Its name suggests it supply the superior region of the thyroid gland. But superior thyroid artery do one additional function, mean it not only supply the superior region of thyroid gland, but it is responsible to supply the interior region also. Means superior thyroid artery supply the blood supply to superior and interior region of thyroid gland. Now in red I show the superior thyroid artery which supply the superior and interior region of thyroid gland. Now second artery is inferior thyroid artery, which is branch of thyrocervical trunk. And the inferior thyroid artery, its name suggests it supply the blood to inferior region of thyroid gland, but also it also have additional function. It not only supply the inferior region of thyroid gland, but also it supply the posterior region of thyroid gland. Like superior thyroid artery supply superior and interior region of thyroid gland, but inferior thyroid artery supply inferior plus posterior region of thyroid gland, mean posterior inferior aspect. This is the inferior thyroid artery which supply the inferior and posterior region of thyroid gland. Now, the third artery is thyroid ema artery, which is branch of brachiocephalic trunk. In branch of brachiocephalic trunk. And this artery, thyroid ema artery, is present in only 10% people. And it supply also to two region. One is isthmus and other is interior region of thyroid gland. Mean, if we remember simply, superior thyroid artery supply two part of thyroid gland, superior and interior. Inferior thyroid artery supply blood to two part, inferior and posterior. And the thyroid ema artery also supply blood to two part, isthmus and interior region of thyroid gland. Now after arterial supply, come to the venous drainage. In venous drainage, the same name vein drain the blood from thyroid gland, and same vein run with the arteries and follow the same path of arteries. In vein, like three arteries, here also three veins. Superior thyroid vein drain. This is superior thyroid vein, which show in blue. This drain the blood from superior interior region, move with the run with the superior thyroid artery, and inferior thyroid vein run with the inferior thyroid artery and drain the inferior and posterior region of blood. The third is the middle thyroid vein, which drain the middle region, mean isthmus region blood. The same in the three veins: superior thyroid vein, inferior thyroid vein, and middle thyroid vein. After venous drainage, come to the innervation. The innervation of thyroid gland is from sympathetic trunk. Sympathetic trunk send a branch to thyroid gland, it innervate the thyroid gland. Innervation by a branch from sympathetic trunk. The last is lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is by three types of nodes. Number one, perithyroid nodes, mean the nodes present around the thyroid gland. Second is paratracheal nodes, mean the nodes present around the trachea. The third is superior and inferior deep cervical nodes, means superior and inferior deep cervical nodes. Now we simply remember the arterial supply, venous drainage, lymphatics by superior and inferior region of thyroid gland. Like in thyroid gland, the superior and inferior region. By superior and inferior name, we remember the arterial supply, venous drainage, and lymphatic drainage easily. Like arterial supply, superior and inferior thyroid artery; venous drainage, superior and inferior thyroid vein, and lymphatics, superior and inferior deep cervical nodes. This is a simple mnemonic for arterial supply, venous drainage, lymphatic drainage of thyroid gland. Mean you remember simply superior and inferior. When we remember superior and inferior, then easily in our mind there will be easily superior and inferior thyroid artery will become, superior and inferior thyroid vein will come, and superior and inferior deep cervical lymph node will be come. Now today our topic is complete. We studied the thyroid gland definition, structure, diagram, arterial supply, venous drainage, innervation, lymphatics. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open all notification in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.